It's a question of CAT 2024, slot 3. Now, what's given here? Circular plot of land is divided into two regions by a chord of length. This is 10 root 3 actually. Chord of length 10 root 3 meters, such that the chord subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. So let's assume that there's a circle. This is a chord. The length of the chord, let's say this is AB, is 10 root 3. So what's given here? It subtends an angle of 120 at the center. This angle is given equal to 120. So let's assume that this is O. Then the area in the square meters of the smaller region. Chord divides the whole circle into two parts. I'm looking for the area of this one. We call it minor segment. How do we get that? Area of this sector AOB minus area of this triangle AOB will give you area of this minor segment. But for that, you need the radius also. Fine. The only thing given here is the length of the chord AB. We know that if we drop a perpendicular from center on a chord, it will always bisects the chord. So let's say this point is C. So can we say this triangle, this is C, this is A, this is O. What was the construction? I dropped a perpendicular. And we know that this perpendicular will definitely bisect this chord. What was the length of chord? 10 root 3. So this AC will become half of that. This is 5 root 3. And it will also bisect this angle. So this has to be 60, 90. This has to be 30. Now, can we apply the trigonometry here? If I say cos of 30, this has to be AC by OA. Yes or no? What is cos 30? It's root 3 by 2. What is AC? It's 5 root 3. So this will give you the value of OA. So we get OA equal to 10 here. Similarly, when you apply what? Sine 30. When you apply sine 30, then say sine of 30 is perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is OC by OA. Do we know the value of OC? No. But we know the value of OA, which is 10. And sine 30 is half. So this says that OC must be equal to 5. Now we know the value of OC. We also know the value of OA. Now let's try to focus on this sector. Area of the sector. Which sector? OAB. Is given by theta by 360. What is theta? Which is the angle subtended at the center. 120 by 360 into pi r square. What is r here? Radius, which is OA. OA I have already calculated equal to 10. So this is 10 square. 120 by 360 will be 1 by 3. So actually, what do we get? 100 pi by 3. This is the area of the sector OAB. What is the area of triangle AOB? It has to be half base. I'll take my base equal to AB, which is length of the chord. It's 10 root 3 into height. Height must be OC. What was the value of OC? It was 5. So actually, what do we get? 25 root 3. Now the area of the smaller region must be equal to area of the sector. That is 100 pi by 3 minus area of the triangle, which is 25 root 3. Yes, sir. Now what is common here? 25, this is 100. When you simplify this, the correct answer will be what? Second option is 20, 2 pi, 4 pi by 3 minus root. Sorry, we can take 25 common instead of 20 here. So the correct answer has to be what? It's 25, 4 pi by 3 minus root. Fine.